Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sophia, and like I said, I was gonna make a video of me mentioning the stores that I've done of what squishies I have, so let's go. Okay, so Five Below has real squishy dumplings, some fake Neatos, and other types of squishy like the ducks, butters, and other squishies. Target has the same dumpling, mostly Neatos though, but make sure to check under the shelves because sometimes they have it. And make sure to check all your store and check with someone because sometimes they're hiding them in the back for themselves. Walmart, I wouldn't order online because they're too expensive, but you can go in the store to buy them because they're not that much money. Temu, you can also order it for a low price, like AliExpress, Temu, and Shein. You can all get them. They have a lot of stuff. Also, Whatnot. If you don't know what Whatnot is, it's like a live streaming app where you can watch all your favorite creators. Some creators are on there, and there's also live stream. You just have to like add your credit card, and then you can bid for things. And then once you do it, it will ship to your house. Anyways, next. 7-Eleven has fake dumplings and fake Neatos. Let's see what else. Uber Eats and DoorDash also have some. I think only Uber Eats though. Anyways, Stu Leonard's also has them. That's where I got these three. They have it in their candy section. They also have rainbow butters and more fake dumplings. But I decided to get this series and a mini one. Okay, and also they have fake Neatos. They have this and another one. Okay, let's see what else. What is there else? Oh, Neatos Factory also has Neatos. RMS has Neatos and dumplings. You can also get an RMS package from them, which would give you dumplings and stuff. I don't know how you get it. I think they just give it to creators that they see. Please give me one. I really want one. But if you don't, it's okay because I'm a small creator. Anyways, let's go. Okay, let's see next ones. Next would be CVS. They have a lot of squishies. They have fake dumplings. They have real Neatos. And they have like Easter squishies that are not there. I think they had duck squishies. And that's basically it. And sometimes they keep it behind the counter. Anyways, where is some more pop? Barnes and Noble. I haven't seen them there, but people are saying that they're there. Walgreens, I didn't say in my short, but Walgreens, I think, has them because people are also saying about them. I'm not sure what they have. I think they only have Neatos because I've never seen them there. So, okay, let's see what else. If you know more that I didn't mention in this video, you can comment down below. Let's see. Oh, Amazon. Did I mention that already? I don't know, but they have lots of squishy. And Amazon Haul also has it for cheaper. Anyways. I'm sponsoring all these brands that I'm saying in stores because I'm saying them, so I'm sponsoring them. What I said. What else? Like, gas stations, they have real Neatos and fake dumplings. They don't have real dumplings. Anyways, let's see. I'm trying to look around my room. I don't know if that's gonna help though. I don't know. If you guys know more down below, you guys can comment it. Okay. This is a video only for the people that watch my short. So go and watch it before you watch this video because that is like sponsoring that video. So better go watch it. Anyways, I'm thinking of anyways, guys, if you want more videos like this, comment down below and like and subscribe. We're trying to reach 100 subscribers. We're so close, guys. We just hit 83 subscribers, so thank you so much. We just had 80 and we literally got 3 more in like one day. That's a goal for me, bro. Like literally. And you guys just reached my goal of getting at least 3 in one day. So thank you so much for all the people who subscribe to me. Keep subscribing if you can, because you know some people can't. If you guys want more squishy and like slime videos, let me down below because I know a recipe of to make dough, like dough. We can just, it's not like slime, but like. Okay, bye guys. If you want more videos like this, comment down below. So bye.